Okay, Fiat Ducato cabin filter replacement or cabin filter location. This is a 2017 model, be the same for 2016, 2018, 2019, 2020 probably. Okay, so first thing to do, up the top here you'll see there's a couple of torque screws. Okay, and they just have little panels over them that you just flick out from the top. And into the light, flick it out from the top there. Okay, and in the bottom in the center here there's a little rubber mat, and there's a torque screw under that. So that's our first step, is to undo these 3 torque screws. Okay, so other than those 3 screws, the rest is just clipped in. It's reasonably firm to get those clips to pop out. But if you start from the top with your plastic trim tool, get the top out, and then just pull the bottom out, you want to come out fairly straight. Okay, and then we can just unplug these guys. Cool. So one of those, the grey one, has got a push-in tab, and then the black one has got a pull-out tab. Okay, and then we can get that whole panel out of our way. Okay, and now this panel in here. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and up here 5, 6 screws in this one. So we'll undo those, and then we'll get that panel out of the way. Okay, so with those 6 screws out, you can pull this one. It's a little bit clipped as well. Just in by these ones, there's little clips, so just give it a bit of a tug, and that is that panel out of the way. Fun place for a cabin filter, right? Okay, and then down in here, looks like we have got some little screws here, so those screws in that other panel, T20s again. Okay, and we'll undo these little ones here. Okay, they are actually a 5.5. Oh, fun. Okay, so those 2 out. And then these little clips at the bottom lift up. Let's get a bit back in here. One there. One there. Okay, and then, yeah, once you've released those clips, if you just pull on the tab there, pull it straight out. Okay, and up in here is our cabin filter, because that's the most convenient place to put it, right? Cool, so if you've got a Fiat Ducato and need to know cabin filter replacement or cabin filter location, that is where it is and how to replace it. So now we just chuck a new one in and reverse all the steps, do it all back up. Okay, just a note here to putting the new one in. Okay, in terms of your airflow, it's actually going to be the other way around from what you expect. So you're going to be flowing from this backside through to the front, because you can see our heater core is in front of where the filter is going. Okay, and we're going to be filtering prior to our heater core, so our arrow there for airflow is going to point towards the front of the vehicle. Okay, so our air is coming in along here, along the back, and then through that way. Okay, so Fiat Ducato cabin filter replacement or location. If you need to replace your cabin filter in your Fiat Ducato 2017 model, 2016, 2018, 2019, 2020, that's how you do it. And then it's just a matter of reversing the steps to put it all back together again. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYs at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.